Today, we'll start our sessions with loosening exercise. Make a loose fist of your hands and place them on the chest. Collapse and relax your shoulders. Start with slow jogging. Raise your toes and start slow jogging. Jog about 20 times. As days goes by, gradually increase up to 100 times. Next set of loosening exercise, backward jogging. Lean a little forward and increase the speed of jogging gradually. Start hitting the buttocks with the heels. Repeat this 20 times at your maximum speed. Then gradually slow down the speed. Do not stop. Continue and move on to the slow jogging for at least 10 times. Loosening exercise, forward jogging. Lean backward a little and now as you increase the speed again, try to raise the knees higher and higher. Raise the knees forward to reach the chest level. Repeat 20 times at your maximum speed. Slow down and come back to slow jogging and stop the practice. After all loosening exercise, here we come for simple stretching. Keep the legs about 1 meter apart. Raise the hand sideways parallel to the ground while inhaling. Bend to the right till the right hand touches the heel. While exhaling, bend in the same plane. Look at the palm of the left hand directing forward. Come up with inhalation. Repeat 4 to 5 times to the right and left alternatively. Bend your right leg and now come back to the position. Forward and backward bending. Stretch the arm straight above the head with the palms facing forward. Inhale and bend backwards with the arms stretched above the head. While exhaling, bend forward as much as possible. While inhaling, come up and bend backwards and go on repeatedly to forward bending with exhalation. Repeat 20 times with increasing speed. Gradually slow down and ultimately stop the practice. We'll go for the practice of twisting. Spread the legs 1 meter apart. Raise the hands sideways parallel to the ground while inhaling. Keep the legs firm on the ground and twist to the right, keeping the right hand straight. Simultaneously, twist the neck and look at the tip of the fingers. Bend the left hand at the elbow to bring the hand close to the chest. Come back while inhaling. Repeat the same on the left. Gradually, increase the speed of maximum capacity. Repeat 10 to 20 rounds.